Yeah, in today's video, an easy way to cut moose ribs. We got a moose rib here donated by my cousin right there. We'll cut some ribs. I'll show you how to make ribs. We got a little friend here. Yeah. You want some of this ribs? Yeah. And we'll get started here, folks. We got ribs here. We'll try it. Well, I'll show you how to cut it. Look. I'll use a skill saw. They cut it with a knife. Looks real good on the edges. If you use an axe, you cut off that. So I'll cut some here. Look closely. Right here. Look, folks. Come in close. Right here, look. Look at that, folks. We got one. We'll cut it. We'll cut it. We can cut these ends off. We'll give that to our friend. Right there, folks. We'll cut a bunch. I'll cut all these fast. I'll cut these ends off. Pour for a pot. Cut some more. Yeah. Easy way to cut your moose ribs. Right there. There's all our ribs very fast. You freeze it in a freezer. When you get your big moose ribs, you cut them in like this, every rib. Then you freeze it in the fridge. First time you'll freeze it like this, and then when it's so it doesn't freeze and get stuck together, you move them around, and then once it's frozen, it's good. Ready to cut. Yep. How to cut moose ribs. Easy way. Yeah. It's coming along. We'll cut some more. Right here's our pile. We got 3 more ribs to do. Yeah, that's how you cut your moose ribs. Easy way to cut your moose ribs, folks. All right, we got our ribs cut up, folks. Ready for to boil it for 5 hours to make the meat really soft, and we'll get some good broth out of it. Here's got our water here. We'll put our moose ribs in. Yeah. Come on. Look, folks, we got a friend. Here. Look at that, folks. We got one.